Hello guys, it's Young here, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix this error. So it's not a very common error and very few people know about how to fix this error. I was facing it while I was logging into the Twitter from my PC, and whenever I gave my number and the password, it says we could not verify your credentials, please double check and try again. So what I did was I replaced the first digit of my phone number, which was 0, with the country code, which is +92. So you need to know your country code, replace it with the 0 or whatever first digit you have of your phone number, and the rest of the number is same. So replace it and enter your password, and hopefully you will get logged into your account. So this is how I fixed it, and I hope it will also going to fix your issue. So if this video helped you, make sure to like it and subscribe for more.